So we're making an avocado egg breakfast sandwich. So of course we'll need avocado, a couple of eggs. We'll use some scallions, some salt and pepper, some optional hot sauce, and some freshly baked garlic Tuscan. Let's get to it. All right, so here are our scallions. And scallions usually come with the Einstein hairdo. So get rid of that. Now, a lot of recipes will call for, doesn't look so good, will call for separating the whites from the greens. But for our avocado egg sandwich, we're going to saute the whites with the greens. We have a farmer's market in our town. I happened to be there yesterday, so I was able to pick up these scallions fresh in from the farm. And there we go. That should be plenty of scallion for our avocado egg sandwich. All right, so now we have the avocado. And what I like to do is cut off slice off the pit side there. Just like that. And then cut about halfway till you hit that pit, and then just go around easily. And then do a twist, and it should come right off. We have the pit here. Came out pretty good. And so then the next thing is to, a couple different ways to do this. I've seen it done with a spoon. I usually use a spoon and try to spoon out a good portion of this avocado. There you go. Yeah, that came right out. All right, so let's crack a few eggs. Now, some people like to use one egg and then one egg white. I just like to use 2 eggs. With a little pepper, maybe a lot of pepper. I like pepper. And some salt. And another mix. All right, so let's saute some scallions. And I like to do it in olive oil. Some folks use butter, but I'm a fan of olive oil. All right, we'll add our eggs. Now, this is a little bit like if you ever made fried rice or pork fried rice. You'll often add an egg while you're making the fried rice. So it has that kind of consistency. So now we're just going to want to kind of fold it over so we have a better shot at fitting it onto our toast. So here's one of my faves. This is garlic Tuscan bread, freshly baked. All right, so let's make some toast. Toast is looking good. All right, so let's put this together. And a little hot sauce just to spice it up a little bit, a little pepper, a little salt. All right, and there you have it.